Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, but I feel like I've said that for the past like 5 videos, so you know, whatever. I am going to be doing a get organized with me slash clean my room slash redecorate my room type thing. Yesterday was Christmas and I got a beautiful little organizer from Michael's that I had asked for. My plan was to put it somewhere in my room and organize all of my makeup in it because my makeup desk has just looked so cluttered to me and full, and I've kind of outgrown the little drawers on it. I'll show you what I mean when we get into the video. But yeah, I also got a new pillow. I'm going to be getting new bedding, but it was back ordered, so they told me they got it for me for Christmas yesterday, but that it just hadn't gotten here yet. So I don't know if this video will go up right after I finish what I'm doing today, or if I'll wait for the bedding to come in. I'm not really sure yet. But I thought I'd just film a quick intro on my vlog camera and take you guys with me today. I'm going to get some little organizers to put in the drawers of the storage unit to keep everything in place a little more. I already built the storage unit yesterday, which probably would have been fun to film, but I was like, it's Christmas. I don't feel like filming today. I just want to build it. That's why it's built and already in that corner back there with like the tall stack of little storage drawers on it. So I kind of already redid this wall unintentionally just to get that unit to fit. I had to move around my lovely little plants. So now we have our split leaf philodendron up here with me. It's a good time. Yeah, so maybe I'll try to put it back how it was yesterday so you can get an idea of how the before was. I'm just gonna give you like an overview of my room. There will probably be a lot of time lapses. I think these videos are like so therapeutic to watch. I just love watching people clean and organize stuff. It's the OCD in my heart that's just like, I want everything to look nice and be perfectly organized. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Yeah, let's get into it. So I kind of left my room intentionally way messier than I would usually have it for the sake of this video. I don't think it's that bad. It's just kind of like everything I got yesterday for Christmas is lying around the floor, and also things that I need to return or exchange for another size. So yeah, I'm just standing in the back corner of my room right now, and I'm gonna give you a little overview of what it looks like before we do any organizing. And we're back. So I was a horrible vlogger and forgot to film me at Target except for that one little clip. So I am going to show you guys what I got, because another thing I love about these types of videos are storage hauls. I'm literally just like a mom. Let's get into that. What I got from Target for storage. I got 3 of these little just storage basket tray things and 2 of these 3-pack baskets. I think that's all I got organization wise. I measured my drawers before I bought these to make sure everything would fit. Those containers from earlier are still on the little storage unit. Those are ones that my mom has had for a while. They're from the Container Store. They're like little squares that interlock. That's what I got to go in the drawers. So I'm probably honestly just gonna time lapse it. That's the first thing that I want to tackle because I think it'll make a really big difference, and I just want this desk cleared off so that I can put the new stuff on it. I'm just gonna start putting these together and these and deciding what I want in which drawers and what layout I think will be best. this that was originally from the Container Store. It kind of looks like a file organizer. I use it to hold my palettes up, so I think that'll go down here, maybe to store some of the smaller palettes. And then the rest I think I'm just gonna leave open for the big palettes, so that drawer should be fine. And then I'm just running into a problem with managing to figure out the drawers for my face, because I would love to have these three together for bronzer, blush, highlighter. I would also love to have three of these together for lipstick, lip gloss, lip liners, and I don't have enough to do that. Darn, I wish I'd gotten just one more. Did they have one more? I guess I could run to it, but it would take like 15 minutes there, 15 minutes back. We'll think about this and I'll be back. Okay folks, so here's the temporary solution. Here will be lips. I plan to run back up to Target and just get 2 more of these. I just took stuff from up here to finish these 4 drawers so that I could have like more finished in time. So yeah, I'm just gonna start taking the palettes and stuff out of my drawers over there. I'll probably just like bring them over by section or something. So I think that we're gonna go get more now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, welcome back. So I went to Target and there were literally 6 of the little ones left. So got 6 more of these. And I also got this from my mom. It's a flat lipstick organizer. So yeah, I'm gonna try to work decently quick. That mirror, or do we like that one? So it's almost 1 in the morning. I really want to get all of this stuff out of my floor, but I wanted to film doing it, so that's why I look like trash, and that's what we're doing. Day 2 of this video. I'm sorry for the really harsh lighting. It's kind of really bright over there. I'm gonna be tackling this kind of corner of my room. I have gotten a lot more magazines and books lately, and I really want to find a nice way to store and display those. I also really want to find a good way to store / display my camera equipment. I just kind of want to turn this corner into some good practical storage for books, magazines, camera equipment, that sort of thing. I have a ton of dried flowers around my room, and a lot of them are here and on this wall beside me on my dresser. So I think I'm gonna try to narrow that down. I really liked it for a while, but I think I would rather just have my live plants sitting around instead of all of these dead, dried ones. Yeah, let's get started on that, I guess. The whole process of me cleaning, organizing, redecorating my room. I am actually so happy with how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach and